Hi everyone, I'm Mudassar Sadiq and you are watching MS Electronics and Co. In this video, I will show you the diode limiters and or clipper circuits, their workings when we connect diodes parallel with resistor, how they work and how they clip the waves plus zero point 0.7 voltage across diode. So today I will show you their working and their wave performance in this result. So obviously if you not yet subscribe my channel, so subscribe it and click on the bell icon. Obviously it will help for me and motivation for me. Now look at here a diode positive limiter also called clipper that limits or clip the positive part of the input voltage. As the input voltage goes positive, the diode become forward bias and conduct current. Now look at here in the circuits. When we apply the positive signal VCC, obviously when we study about the conventional currents, conventional current move from positive to negative terminal. So positive terminal is that and negative is here. Look at here when the current is flow from the R1, obviously it will limit the current, and when the current reaches to the point A, there are two paths to follow because R1 and diodes are connected parallelly. So both get the same voltage. So look at here when the for example we provide a 5 voltage VRMS signals. So when it come here point A, obviously when the diodes cross 0.7 voltage, we know that when the diode become forward bias it drop across 0.7 voltage. So when the 0.7 voltage drop across diodes, and or we can say that the voltage increase from 0.7 voltage, the diode become forward bias, and when the diode become forward bias, obviously it will clip the waveform. Look at here in this circuit you will see the it clip the waveform plus 0.7 volt in positive case when the positive signal is come, when this one is positive signal is come. Now in case of negative signal, when the negative signal is come, look at here when the negative signal is come in this way, obviously in this case the diode become reverse bias, and so it's not conduct or not drop any voltage. So that's why all the voltage goes from RL resistor. So obviously all the voltage drop across the RL, or you can say that all the voltage across RL show in the waveform. Look at here all the same waveform come into the outputs. So in this case now we discuss next one is the positive or when we reverse the directions of the diode. Now in second case when we reverse the direction of the diode, look at here when the positive signal come, look at here when the positive signal is come here, and obviously when the current reaches at point A and it divide into two paths 1 and 2. So look at here the diode is reverse biased. So in this case the diode is reverse biased, obviously it will not conduct any current, so that's why all the voltage drop across the resistor. But in second one case when we look at here the negative sides of the or negative peak of the sinusoidal waveform, look at here when the negative signal is come, look at here, and in this case the diode become forward bias, so obviously it will drop 0.7 voltage across the diode. So that's why in negative case the it clip the negative sides of the waveform. So it's very simple and easy, and now I will show you the proper software simulations or all of these results. And obviously when we connect a battery here, when we connected battery here, we change their clipping level, we change their clipping level when we add or subtract a battery in this manner. In software simulation, look at here, I close it and look at here the circuit, same circuit is present here which we discussed in earlier. So look at here 5 voltage signals and resistor and diodes, and look at here now we will check their waveforms or how they clip the waveform. Look at here when we play it, look at here I open it, and you see in this video, look at here that red one is the input signal, obviously input signal come complete to look at here, and the look at here the blue one clip positive side of the because diode in first case diode is forward bias in positive signals, so that's why positive signal clip at 0.7 voltage. We can also check it by using this terminal to move forward, and we can check it how many voltage drop across it. So you can check it by using just simply and move to it forward. Look at here I will second case when we reverse the direction of the diode, obviously positive signal is not clipped but negative signal is clipped, because in negative case it become forward bias. In this case we add additional one thing is battery. When we add a DC power supply in it, obviously it will add in the waveform or clip the waveform according to your condition. You can also change the voltage of the battery or adjust the clippings how many clipping you require. Now I will show you the waveform. Look at here I play it and I will show you the waveform of, look at here, look at here the waveform of the signals, and when I play it, Look at here, the positive signal, red one is the input signal and the blue one is the output signal. Look at here, the positive signal is come but the negative side of the signal is clip, because it's clip more, due to we add a battery in this case, so that's why it's clip more voltage across it. So it's very simple and easy. Now look at here, in this case when we add two diode, obviously when when positive signal is come, the D1 is forward bias and D2 is reverse bias. Obviously in negative case, when the negative signal is come, and obviously D1 is reverse bias and D2 is forward bias. So now I will show you the waveform so you can understand it easily. Look at here, when I play it, look at here, the red one is the input signal and the blue one is the output signal. Look at here, it's clip from positive side and it clip from negative side, so it's mean that it clip both of the sides because we add two diodes parallel with. So it's mean we can also change the limits of the clip by adding just battery in it. Look at here, we add just battery in here, so we can change the condition of the clip. So it's very simple and easy. So I hope you get the knowledge about clipper and how will adjust it and how we will clip the circuit. So thanks for watching my video and subscribe it.